Salut, c'est David. Comment allez-vous? I hope everybody is well. In today's word of the day, we're going to look at the verb déménager, which means to move. Specifically, it means to move out. We're also going to look at how to say to move in, which is emménager. So let's begin. Word origin, déménager. In French, ménager has to do with ménage, which means household. The prefix de in Latin is dis and means apart from or out. So literally, déménager is like out of the house or out of the household. Pronunciation, déménager. Let's look at some example sentences. I don't like this apartment anymore. I'm moving out on April 15th. Je n'aime plus cet appartement. Je déménage le 15 avril. One more time. I don't like this apartment anymore. I'm moving out on April 15th. Je n'aime plus cet appartement. Je déménage le 15 avril. So here, for this sentence, we have a negation, ne plus verb plus plus, which means anymore. So, je n'aime plus cet appartement. I don't like this apartment anymore. That would be compared to je n'aime pas cet appartement, which is a straight French negation meaning I don't like this apartment. Je déménage le 15 avril. I'm moving out April 15th, or simply I'm moving. But when the French ear hears je déménage, they're hearing I'm moving out. So we can take the word déménager and make a noun, déménagement, for a move. So let's look at the next sentence. What is the date of your move? Quelle est la date de votre déménagement? What is the date of your move? Quelle est la date de votre déménagement? Next sentence. I'm going to move into a new apartment next week. Je vais emménager dans un nouvel appartement la semaine prochaine. One more time. Je vais emménager dans un nouvel appartement la semaine prochaine. So for this sentence, je vais emménager, this verb has a prefix em, which means in. So emménager, to move in. Déménager, to move out. Emménager, to move in. So if you were moving in with a friend, for example, you would say, je vais emménager avec un ami. Emménager. This next verb has ménager in it, and it has a prefix aménager, A-M-E-N-A-G-E-R. So aménager means to convert, to set up, or rearrange. So we'll look at the example sentence with this verb. We're going to convert this room into a guest room. Nous allons aménager cette pièce en chambre d'amis. So in French, chambre d'amis, literally a friend's bedroom, is the word for guest room. One more time, we're going to convert this room into a guest room. Nous allons emménager cette pièce en chambre d'amis. Voilà, now you have a very clear understanding. So in French, when you want to say to move, like I'm going to move tomorrow, je vais déménager. So déménager, to move or to move out. Emménager with an em prefix is to move in. J'emménage avec un ami, ou par exemple, j'emménage avec ma petite copine. I'm moving in with my girlfriend. And then we have aménager, which is to convert one room into another usage. Donc, par exemple, j'emménage la pièce en chambre d'amis. I'm converting the room into a guest room. Merci beaucoup, mes amis. Thank you, everybody, for listening. I hope this lesson has been useful, and I will see you on the next lesson. Au revoir.